By the end of this video, you'll learn 5 new ways to make your bedroom go from shambles to sexy. And stay tuned until the end, because then you'll get a vanilla and kink checklist just as our gift for watching. Hit subscribe and the bell. I'm Amanda Pasciucco, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and a certified sex therapist, and I'm gonna show you 5 easy ways to take your bedroom up a notch. Part 1, make sure there's not a lot of clutter everywhere. I'm one of those people who had a very cluttered bedroom. I'm just gonna throw it out there. And that is something that doesn't make you feel confident about your bedroom, and it definitely doesn't make you feel sensual or sexual. So, there's a lot of clutter. Find a different place in the house for it. That would be my first big tip for you. Do you have a nice comforter? Make sure that you throw that on top of the bed. Make sure that everything looks crisp and clean, kind of like that hotel feeling. Next part is part 2. What's on your walls? If you have blank white walls, that's not very exciting nor erotic either. It's kind of drab, actually. So what can you put on your walls that has maybe texture or certain colors to it that complements the comforter and the bed, that makes you feel like you actually want to be part of it? Be in the room and not just trying to escape the room because it isn't erotically sensual. Do you guys have favorite types of bedroom art? If you have a favorite artist, please drop him in the comments below. Always looking for new artists, especially those who paint on canvas. The next part, 3, scent. Some people actually have multiple chemical sensitivity, which means don't put on perfume, skip the cologne. They actually like scents that are more natural. So air freshener, we don't need that either. Maybe if you have your gym clothes and your sneakers in your bedroom, you want to put those elsewhere, because obviously the scent of that, we don't want to have to be covering it up with like Axe deodorant or something because it stinks in your room. So an air purifier is good as well. Anything to keep it so that there isn't that much scent and it's more neutral. Lighting. What's the lighting in your room? This is part 4. What is the lighting? So do you have big open windows? It's bright. Some people like bright light, some like dim, some like it dark. Some people have Philips hues where you can adjust the dimness from low to high. They have different colors. Do you have candles in your room? Do you have blackout curtains in your room? Do you have photos of your family in your room? Maybe we want to not have those lit up because we're trying to make the bedroom sexy, not familial. So notice the different lighting, notice what you see, because the visuals are really important. And the last thing, one of my favorite things of all, part 5, the sound. Do you have white noise machines? White noise machines are a therapist's favorite. They also sell them for babies in the nursery sometimes. So they make just like a whooshing sound, so it just neutralizes the sound. Also, do you have a playlist? If you don't, get our Spotify, the Sex Healer playlist, because you need a good playlist. Sound matters. Do you have kids? Do you have neighbors? You kind of want to make sure that what you're listening to or focusing on is the main sound. So thank you so much for staying until the end. We really appreciate you being here. So you can get our kink and vanilla checklist by just scrolling down, and in the description, click on that link and it will take you right to the link below. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and the bell. I'm the Sex Healer. I release a new video every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at the Sex Healer. We love your comments, we love your questions. See you then, and thanks for watching.